We're making pastrami-style rotisserie chicken. So we've got our bird fresh out of the packaging, and we're gonna go ahead and just start taking the skin off. Get under the membrane. We're gonna use mustard as a binder, because again, this is a pastrami-style chicken. Get in all the crevices. Beautiful. We're gonna grind down our spice mix: paprika, white and black peppercorns, coriander, onion powder, and a little bit of garlic salt. A little bit of mustard seed as well. Who fucking invented this shit? I swear to you, God. We're good. Because I don't want to lose any of the spice rub on that pan, I'm going to do everything in the everyday pan here. A generous amount of olive oil. Got some already pre-diced onion. We're going to lay it down like a little bed for our little chick to lay down on. How cute is that? And then I've got some garlic cloves. Let's give them a squeeze. Try to release some of that Allison in there. We're gonna go ahead and leave our bird levitating, right? Like Dua Lipa. Sprinkle it on. Pan is gonna catch all that leftover and help season some of that onion. Make sure you get every little nook, cranny, and crevice. Go ahead and throw the rest in the chute. Our little birdie down. We're gonna give it a nice crush, and you hear some of that bone break. And then we're gonna place it in our oven at 385 for about 30 minutes. Our rotisserie chicken is done. Taste test time. I'm gonna scooch her over a little bit, and we're just gonna baste the top. One more bite. You don't get an overwhelming mustard taste, most of it cooked off. Wow, that's fucking good. I love pastrami, I love chicken. I'm gonna rate this one 7 out of 10. Give it a shot, or don't. I'm not your dad. I still love you.